We all know the importance of having money set aside for the future, whether it's for long-term goals or a rainy day fund to cover unexpected expenses. However, despite the importance, saving money isn't always easy. A staggering 44% of Americans don't have $1,000 in savings available for an emergency. Whether you're just starting out or have struggled with saving in the past, setting an attainable goal of saving $1,000 can be the perfect stepping stone to greater financial security. Fortunately, there are easy ways to save money without drastically altering your lifestyle. In this video, we'll count down 10 simple and actionable tips that anyone can do to save $1,000. But before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 10. Start by creating a budget. One of the most powerful tools for saving money is a budget. If you don't know where your money is going, it's impossible to find ways to save it. With a budget, you'll get a clear picture of your income and expenses, helping you identify where you can trim spending and allocate more towards savings. A popular and easy-to-follow approach is the 50-30-20 rule, which allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. This method keeps you in check while making sure that saving money is always prioritized. Creating a budget doesn't have to be complicated. Use an app or a simple spreadsheet and start tracking where your money is going every month. You'll be surprised how much you can save once you have a solid budget in place. Number 9. Automate your savings. The best way to ensure you consistently save money is to make it automatic. Many banks offer the ability to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Set a specific amount, even if it's only $10 or $20 per week, and let it happen without thinking about it. This approach allows your savings to grow passively. Over time, the small, consistent contributions will add up. For instance, if you save $20 a week, you'll have $1,000 in just under a year. Plus, automating the process helps remove the temptation to spend that extra money before you can save it. Number 8. Cut back on unnecessary subscriptions. Many of us are guilty of subscribing to multiple streaming services, magazines, or memberships that we don't always use. Even though these subscriptions might seem like small expenses, they can add up over time. For instance, spending $10 each month on 5 streaming services means $600 per year. Take a close look at your recurring subscriptions and decide which ones you can live without. Cancel the ones you rarely use and watch your savings grow. Another option is to rotate your subscriptions. Sign up for one streaming service at a time. And when you've watched everything you're interested in, switch to another. Number 7. Pack your lunch and brew your coffee at home. It's easy to underestimate how much we spend on takeout meals, lunch at work, or that daily coffee run. If you're spending $10 on lunch 5 days a week, that adds up to $200 a month, or $2,400 a year. Similarly, buying a $5 coffee every day costs about $1,200 per year. Cutting back on takeout and brewing your own coffee at home can lead to significant savings. Consider meal prepping for the week and bringing your lunch to work. Not only will you save money, but you'll likely eat healthier too. Number 6. Use cashback and rewards apps. In today's digital age, there are countless cashback and rewards apps that help you save money on everyday purchases. Apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Fetch Rewards offer cashback or points that can be redeemed for gift cards or cash. Simply sign up, shop through the app, and start earning money back on things you're already buying. Using these apps doesn't require any extra effort, but the savings can add up over time. Pair them with smart shopping habits, and you'll have a powerful tool for saving money on groceries, clothes, and more. Number 5. Negotiate your bills. Many people don't realize that they can negotiate their monthly bills to save money. Whether it's your cable, internet, insurance, or cell phone bill, there's often room for negotiation. Call your providers and ask for a better rate, or see if there are any promotions available. If you don't feel comfortable negotiating, there are apps like Trim and Billshark that will do it for you. These apps can help you lower your bills by negotiating with service providers on your behalf, saving you both time and money. Number 4. Sell unused items. We all have items lying around the house that we no longer use, whether it's old electronics, clothes, furniture, or toys. Instead of letting them collect dust, sell them. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, or Poshmark Make it easy to sell your unused items and turn them into cash. Not only will you declutter your space, but you'll also be able to put the money you make directly into your savings account. It's a win-win situation that can help you reach your $1,000 savings goal faster. Number 3. Cancel gym memberships and exercise for free. Gym memberships can be expensive, and if you're not using them regularly, they're not worth the cost. Consider canceling your membership and finding free or low-cost alternatives for staying fit. YouTube is full of free workout videos, from yoga to strength training. Additionally, going for a run, hiking, or cycling are all great ways to stay active without spending any money. By canceling a gym membership that costs $50 per month, you could save $600 a year, money that can be put directly into your savings. Number 2. Reduce grocery costs. Groceries are a necessity, but that doesn't mean you can't save money on them. Start by making the grocery list before heading to the store and stick to it. Avoid impulse buys by shopping with a plan, and always look for sales, discounts, and coupons. Additionally, consider buying in bulk for items you use frequently, as this can save you money over time. If possible, switch to store brands instead of name brands. Many times, the quality is the same, but at a lower price. Being mindful of your grocery spending can free up hundreds of dollars each year for savings. Number 1. Find a side hustle. One of the most effective ways to save money quickly is to increase your income. If you have a skill or hobby that you can turn into extra cash, consider starting a side hustle. Whether it's freelancing, driving for Uber, babysitting, or selling handmade goods, there are countless ways to make money on the side. Even dedicating a few hours a week to a side hustle can bring in an extra $200 or more each month. That extra income can help you meet your $1,000 savings goal much faster than cutting costs alone. Remember, every little bit helps. Whether you're cutting back on lunches out, skipping the coffee shop, or selling unused items, each step you take brings you closer to your goal. Saving $1,000 may seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies in place, it's achievable for anyone. Whether it's by cutting back on unnecessary expenses, automating your savings, or earning extra income through a side hustle, there are plenty of easy ways to boost your savings. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow. $1,000 is just the beginning. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, then hit the subscribe button to never miss out on any of our videos. See you next time.